3 days we had like big changes in our like plan. Even we got the new connections, we got the new opportunities even, and also very good insights.
I personally have made like a lot of connections here, a lot of people meeting here and stuff like that. Honestly, a bit of a chill vibe as well, you know, getting to be near the sea and stuff like that. Really good business connections as well.
The connections that we made with potential investors, potential clients will have a long-lasting effect. I really believe that. So I'm very grateful for everything.
We all think that we know everything, but we know only what we know, and it's always very limited knowledge and approach, and we always get stuck and cycled in like our approaches and what we think we understand when we do business and stuff. We need people who have done it for longer, who have more experience, etc., to a little bit push us, provocate us, and just show us that there are different ways, different approaches, different points of view to the same problems.
Here you can see pretty much all of the main funds, all of the main VCs. For every startup, the main question is when and how to raise, yeah, in a sense. Also, you can check out your idea. You can talk with different VCs, with different mentors that we had here. See if your idea is really viable, yeah, to see if there can be a market fit based on their experience.
Just very encouraged, and we see people want to help. They believe in young startups. So that would be a lesson to stay positive.